sprint again. So, except for that one spot, it's become a pretty nicely followable trail to get up here. Pretty stoked. Okay. I think I smell poodle dog bush around here. Be careful. Alright. Oh. Here it is. Hayes Peak. Easy to get up here. Oh, it must be a little steeper. So, our Hayes Peak. 6,460 feet, give or take. Sorry for the wind, it's kind of loud. Oh, breeze feels nice up here. Yeah, this feels really nice. Oh, it's nice and cool up here. Oh yeah. Pacific Crest Trail, Sunrise Highway. Even getting better. El Cajon Mountain over there. And one I didn't point out. That's Whale Peak right there in Anza-Borrego Desert State Park. One of the higher peaks. And that one's 5,349 feet, and that's it right there. Not the ones way in the background, this one across the valley actually. So, ooh, a little 360 up here. A lot of these things I pointed out in my previous video, but in case you're watching this video instead. Alright. Double pump peak over there. That's Pipe Mountain. Stevenson Peak with the installation there. I don't know what that is. I used to think that's Pipe, but wrong answer. Of course, that was my peak I was just on about 25-30 minutes ago. Actually, not even. It takes a very short time to get up here. State Park. The Salton Sea. Possibly as far out as Arizona. Santa Rosas. Villager, Rabbit, Toro, Santa Rosa Mountain, the Vulcan Mountains, Palomar, San Isidro Mountain's got to be somewhere in there. not talking about the Otay Mountain area, that's San Isidro. I'm talking about the San Isidro over by Enzabrega. And then North Peak, Middle Peak. So pretty neat. Pretty nice view up here. Oh, you can even see Lions Peak, San Miguel Mountain. Some pointy stuff I don't even recognize way out there. I think, don't 100%, but that might be Watai Mountain there, but I'm not sure. That could be Watai Mountain. Yeah, that might be Watai Mountain. Nice up here. Yeah. Look at the insane drop off. Nearly 4,000, yeah, about 4,000 feet below us. Wow. You can see it's green down there. The monsoons caused a little green up in the desert. So there's some green down there. So we did get some good monsoons this summer. Oh wow, yeah, this is a cool peak, and there's Garnet Peak right over there. There's some insanely impressive views from that.